gorgeous. No, the food will look more attractive. Sorry.
Some experience.
Hi, it's Deandra. I kind of want to travel to another state. I want to meet my mom. I've been in school for a while and it has just been hectic and all of that. I want to make my hair and do a bunch of things, but I don't do it where I am, so I want to go home. I actually have just 2 hours to prepare. I have to have my bath, I have to eat, then I have to go to the train station so I don't miss my train. Last time I booked my train, whatever, I missed my train and my father was upset. My mother already told me that this time if I miss my train again that she's going to be very upset. So I guess I'm going to time myself. Time is currently 12:40-ish, so by 1 I should have my bath. By like 1:40 I should eat. By like 2:30 I should book my ride to the train station so I can get there. I mean, it's like 20 minutes away, but I hope I get there like earlier because my train leaves by 3:57. I hope I get there by like 3:20 or something. Initially I was planning on leaving by 3, but Lagos traffic. I don't think I want to entrust my life to it. I want to wear a black and white skirt, so I'm thinking this bag or this bag. Actually, I'm not thinking, I really decided to go with this bag. So I just want to transfer a bunch of essentials that I'm going to need on the train. Do you think I'll need to order food like to eat during the ride, during the train? Because I think it's like 2 hours something. These my glasses. I hope this is loud enough because I don't have a mic. My power bank and earbuds is currently charging. I think I'll have to rearrange this later, like instead of everything just being scattered. But this bag is really cute. It has this like, I don't know, snake print. What would I call it? At the side. So my mom that got it for me. I need to change my nails. They're already getting like overgrown. It has been like 1 month since I've had them. I also got my lashes done with a ball. I've taken them out. I don't know, anytime I fix my lashes, it just gets to a point that I just get so irritated and I just like pluck everything out. But this one actually lasted. I got it done on the mainland. Hairbrush. As I said, my hair is a mess, so I have to wear a wig, lip liner, my bank cards. Honestly, I don't know why I'm carrying the both of them, but I guess I am. My eye drop. My eyes to get really irritated. I'm not wearing my glasses right now, like there's a lot of lights happening. I've only used this bag once for one Friday class like this that I had. This is it. My mom got it for me in August. Yeah, in August. It's pretty. Okay, bye guys. I'm going to have my bath and do all of that. Okay, so it's been an hour and I made a mistake with the timing before. I said it was like 12:40. Apparently it was like 12, I don't know, 2010. 1:53. So I have a lot of time. I actually do have a lot of time. I want to order food. I'm kind of hungry. I just noticed the most disgusting thing. What is this? Like, my screen is quite dirty. I don't have a screen guard. I downloaded Child Egg on my iPad and look how tiny it is. Like, is the phone size or the phone screen. That's so nasty. Ew. I thought it was going to be like huge and like, no, the food will look more attractive. I don't really eat when I'm traveling because like it's upset my stomach and all of that. So I think I just want to get like basic food. I think that's not so heavy. I want to order food and it's showing me the cafeterias in school. Like I don't. If I wanted to eat from there, I'll just go downstairs and eat from there. Like it makes no sense. So while I wait for my food, my remaining like skincare stuff that I just used, I want to keep them in my bag because I'm going to use them where I'm going to, and the bottle of water in my bag. So I started using this 9less discoloration serum. I have hyperpigmentation around the sides of my mouth and like here. But I've always had this, like growing up 10 years, like 15 years. I've kind of always had this and I've been using different things to clear it. I used to use like Kojisan and like another serum before, but Kojisan used to work, but it's like bleaching, and like once I stopped using it, it doesn't work again. So I don't want to keep depending on like something like that. So I'm trying to see something that's like, you get my point. Yeah, so it took a while, but my food is here. As I said, I was just going to get basic rice, whatever. Okay. The time is 2:05. I have to check the traffic situation, so I know whether to wait till 2:30 to book my ride or if I should book it before then. I feel accomplished. Okay. I have to sort my hair out so that I can start leaving. My hair is a mess. Oh my days. Anyways, this is my wig on. I just removed it from my head yesterday and this is a disaster. I should wear a wig cap, but oh well. Going to pack it anyways. Don't really want to like disturb me throughout my day. I've been having stress acne. Anyways, these eye marks look like glasses. Can I wear my glasses on top of them and like nobody would notice? I actually wanted to use a claw clip, but let's see. But then if I use a claw clip, resting my head would be like quite painful. So I don't think I want to do that. Another hairband. Because I've done this initially when I was packing it. But I thought I was still going to use the clip. So this is what I am going with. I don't even know if it's in the middle. Okay. Okay, race number 1. Okay. I started using this sleeping mask, and it just looks so beautiful. Like, I'll use it and show you guys. Why am I getting so happy? I was literally depressed yesterday because of school. I love my lips. This is the clip I wanted to use, but like safety. Oh, God forbid, but like to now, I think if I put it in my bag though, or I'll put it on my bag. Should I do it like this? Oh, that's cute. Don't fall, don't fall. Where are my glasses? Okay, my bag. Now my lip mask. Can you guys see? Sorry. That wasn't meant to be on camera. I'm about to finish it to get another one. And I haven't even been using it for 2 weeks. See? See? This is gorgeous. Like, it has this pink glossy thing to it that's just so beautiful. I don't know how to explain. Excuse me. Oh, this was like almost completely absorbed. I don't know what's wrong with this side. Did I do something wrong? Okay, it's time to book my ride. I don't know, I probably should have done that already. Wow, it's 2:31, like almost perfect time. Oh my god, this again, like why is it so small? Okay, my ride is already here, bye.
Santos.